Okay. Now, Woollen Mills, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on. I just want you to be aware of it. It's a case that we come back to a number of times, and it's almost every semester I have some student who gets into Woollen Mills and just finds it really frustrating. It's just a case that will not make sense to some of you. Partly that is because it involves the government, and it does have some constitutional law points, and because it's it's a political case in a number of ways. My advice to you in relation to Woollen Mills, if it's really bugging you because the extracts that you've got are on the contract law points, read the whole judgment, and it might make more sense to you if you do that. But so Woollen Mills, why I want to talk about it here is that it talks about what the test is. The test is principally whether the offeror has expressly or impliedly requested the doing of the thing. So in my mock contract here with Marius, we had an express statement. Did you, will you be on call to go looking for my puppy for this fee? So it's an express statement. Carlisle and carbolic smoke ball, it's more an implied statement. Well, actually part of it is express. The express part is you need to take this medicine in accordance with its instruction. And then the implication is if you get sick, well, that will stop you from getting sick, but if you don't, we'll cover your medical expenses. The court can look to whether the offeror has stated a price which the offeree must pay for the promise. So again, this goes to the consideration point. We come back to Woollen Mills there. So again, you'll see in a bilateral contract, there is this exchange. Everybody is paying, there's an offer of a payment of a price. The price might be the doing something, the performance of an obligation, in exchange for a right, the right to receive a service, to receive a payment. So we cross this obligation and right. And the court can ask whether the offer was made in order to induce the doing of an act. Now in Carlisle and carbolic smoke ball, the offer was made, we will pay you the equivalent of more than 25,000 Australian dollars if you get sick. That is made to induce people to buy the product, right? Really more easily fits in as a product liability case. So, some principles here. An offer to the world can be accepted by performance. So the contract is created when the offeree does the thing requested by the offeror. That's the point in time where we make the contract. It is important to have this idea of the quid pro quo, but we'll come back to that in consideration.